Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Bunny Hope emote in Fish It game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to unlock the emote, you need to go to the Easter Island. If you're at the Fisherman Island, you can use the teleport feature. Once you arrive at the Easter Island, you can go to this area, the mosaic area, and you will find emote. And if you want to get the bunny hope emote, you need to have 10k Easter coins. And for me, my coins is still not enough, so I need to farm the coins first. To farm the coins, we just need to do fishing at the Easter Island. Okay, you need 10k Easter coins. Okay, then just go to the fishing area and start fishing to get the Easter coins. For my Easter coins now, wait, let me show you my balance. Okay, my balance is 3k Easter coins. So yeah, I still need to farm the Easter coins. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the Bunny Hope emote in Fish It Game of Roblox new Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!